taking long. Jawara no you
No, Indian I thought you were here.
Yes.
Only just taking time.
And you didn't do anything about it, and I was here.
Why are you taking long? One might change the position of thinking because
yes. Nandi ajaongea, si ndio? Wewe umeongea.
Shyness has given people headache.
Yes.
Shyness has given people headache. That's why I wanted to talk there. That women, they are not ready
to rule.
To spend. No, to spend. Wakiambiwa nunua hata chai, anakunja mkono.
As we don't have money,
no. That's why mukungu yagukunga.
Yes.
Mukungu agusacha okunga. Mukungu amagusacha and you spend. Mukungu agukunga kama you spend. So umugusia gateba. Ya mukungu yana kono chikeu. So which means akaro mukungu anyanyete ng'ombe limo anyoro umuntu akubuturegetore ige gitasiga gateba ngaya ng'ombe yane yari kama ito sinitore so mugusia gateba nga obe ya mukungu yana kono chikeu mimi singa na itoka negetore aruja kolera nga mwaidi ndagera
you're gonna give leaders.
That's why they become leaders. They are very
they media themselves.
Not they media alone. They are very selfish and they are very ironical. They don't.
Why would women?
Women, that's the problem they have. But then, wakiambiwa, and they are good at performing things.
Yes.
They do deliver.
Yes.
They are not badly off from delivering. No.
Yeah.
To me, I can say, if they will be given opportunity, they can do better. They can do better.
Yes. Yeah. If abakungu bara isoki, and if they are willing to spend in order to achieve their dream, we can see a better county.
Yeah.
A better Mugus Mwanyagitingi.
Not only that, nationwide.
Wow.
Because I can give an example. Unajua huyu anaitwa Margaret Nakanga.
Yes, Margaret.
Kutoka nyumbani. Just from home.
Oh. A very strong woman.
Farm. It is very important, and we are having dreams that we will give women that in the county. Things coming in 2027. The same way, I'm giving my suggestion that if we are looking for another woman, if you not be strong enough,
yes,
we will turn her akosida sana akiwa lakini mwenye mimi naangalia atakuja kufanya mzuri ili chama wanaita Fred Matiang'i are kisses we support Fred Matiang'i.
Yes.
Sababu it was 2002 when Nyachae was there.
Yes.
Alikuwa anaongea hii anasema hii ni kisi ya Nyamira.
Yes.
It was the only kisi ya Nyamira it was not there. As a county it was a constituency, it was West Mugirango and North Mugirango.
Yeah.
Matiang'i Nyachae. Sio Nyachae wrote a party. Only 40 people.
Yeah, 40 people.
And the whole of kisi ya Nyamira 40 people. Ndio ilichukua watu parliament. And I urge the other to see that let us unite.
Mwanyagitingi
and tuweke mafikira yetu kwa Fred Matiang'i. Na wengine waone kwamba tuko tayari kusupport.
Yes.
Tukikosa kufanya hivyo, wachana hii watu hapa chini. Watu hapa chini maneno yao they don't know how to look for things. Yao ni maneno ya kulingalinga tu kwa samaki, kununua maufa na nini. That one, I think it is very normal.
So Matiang'i is the man, 2027. More than a man. Wow.
More than a man. Because we not support somebody who is not ready to support us.
That is it.
So I think that one, if you put it on your Ninaona hii inachukua, lakini I'm saying Fred Matiang'i to be supported, even the infants, even those who have not been born. If they are going to be born on 2026 towards the end, 2027, we are going to 4th August.
Yes.
If they will be born in February, March, May, June,
they support
Matiang'i.
Yes.
That is. Mugusi agoteba nyamange yakura bukuma ke. Nyamange yakura bukuma ke.
Oh, nyamange yakura bukuma ke.
So mugusi
ekegima
kya ero mundari wetaniriga urimo bukuma bonena. So mugusi no muntu omoke, lakini nabonera ko atatetemeza pande zote Mombasa, pale Pwani, Western, Central, Nyanza.
Eastern.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because you are being awarded the marks as what you have done.
Yes.
Matiang'i did a very good work. In the, not only the Abakusi, the entire family of Omokenya.
Yes.
Na correct. Umaita bantu kurara bari butuko antu kurara bari ngubutuko maite karamati yangi ali ngo. So I think and I believe let us support friend Matiang'i. Hii mwenye wanasema ati kuna mwingine anakuja miaka yake itafika ya kutahiri. Kama mtu amekusanya visiki amekuwa tayari kutahirishwa. Wacha atahiriwe kwanza, baadaye mwingine ajiandae mwaka mwingine. Mwenye amesema ni wangapi watatahiri mwaka huu? Matiang'i akainua mkono juu. Na wananchi wamesema si wewe ukuje mkono ungoje, you wait for your days to come.
Yes. Wisdom. Waigura manganani? Yes, that is wisdom. Nade mwako yonchonsise niliyo buya. Omete unandege nili. He has blessed me to go forth into the world and speak to the world. And this is from Wanyagitingi Heritage Council, a very wise man.
So they say this way. Penye wase abari bikidem.
Yes.
We have said like as Wanyagitingi Heritage Council,
yes,
that women also they can only be leaders when they be supported by their
husbands
families,
and their brothers,
and
yes,
whatever.
Yes.
Number two, the time men from the house when a woman says, I want to contest something, let us be flexible.
Yes.
Let us be flexible and give the leeway.
Yes.
So that one can do 1, 2, 3. Sababu you might get that even the Bible says where there is a house, there is a capable women from behind.
Yeah.
So even if the Bible says like that, we men why we denying that they not give
opportunities.
Let us give them the opportunities and we see. Nyabinge mororere mwaye. Nyabinge mororere mwaye. What do I mean? You might say that if the visitors will come at your house, 10 of them, you will feed them and they will feel comfortable.
Yes.
But the time when they come to, you run away, you leave visitors there. So let us test our capability of women to be leaders in the Kisi and Nyamira as Wanyagitingi.